Hello, Caroline at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute cardio exercise. So this can be done before a workout, or if you want to do a full cardio workout, this can be done 2 to 3 times to do a full cardio workout. So we're going to start with 60 seconds jogging in place. Here we go. With each exercise, we're going to do a little bit less, so it's kind of like a countdown. Seconds. Three, two, one. All right. Take 10 seconds in between. Next thing we're going to do is 50 jumping jacks. So, here we go. All right, 10 more seconds of rest. Next thing, 40 invisible jump rope. All right, here we go. Okay, 10 more seconds of rest. Next thing, 30 high knees. Here we go. Okay, 10 more seconds of rest. Next, we're going to do 20 side-to-side jumps with our feet together. Here we go. Okay. Then we're going to do 10 jump squats. So squat, jump, squat, jump. Last one. Okay. Last thing, we're going to do 30 seconds marching in place. Okay, here we go. 10 seconds. All right, so as I said before, this is meant to be a warm-up, or if you want to do it again, you can do it 2 to 3 times for a full cardio workout. It's a good warm-up to get your heart rate up and get you ready for whatever exercises you want to do. So make sure you have your water, make sure you stretch after. Have a good one.